Yes, okay. So all for all the inspiring independent labels, I have a workshop that's coming up in March where I'm ushering in some independent fashion labels. And I definitely want to emphasize on the behind the scenes of Fashion Week. What was like your experience when you applied, like when you was picking models, when you was creating the garments, like any type of behind the scenes that is not, emphasized, but when you got there, you was just like, okay, if I do this again next year, this is how I'm gonna move, or this is how I'm gonna do it.
Okay, so the thing behind the scene that I learned that I experienced last year is, when they tell you they're size 0 to 2,
Oh boy, bye.
in your mind, we know that I'm designing a 0
Four.
to 2, but they could be a 0 to 2 and be curvy. They could be a 0 to 2 and be straight. So I learned my lesson from last year that, and every garment that I create as a 0 to 2, not going to fit every model that comes in. Some of them are really, really tall. Mm-hmm. So my experience this year was that I would, they Flying Solo told me to only create 8 pieces. I created extra pieces just in case.
Right. Mm-hmm.
I prepared myself
Smart.
in advance, so I would not look like I just had 8 pieces. So that helped out, and it made it a lot easier for me to breathe and not feel like, okay, praying like I pray all these pieces fit. I designed. I didn't size the model. I didn't do any of that. So I went into that situation not knowing, but this time I prepared myself.
Good. Smart move. Definitely a smart move, because I had my measurements about 3 months ago and I gained some weight. I'm like, oh Lord Jesus, what am I gonna do? But thank God I'm a stylist, so I can just sew it up. That's all. So would you do the Fashion Week again?
Yes.
Yes. Was it everything that you dreamed of?
Yes, the thing is, the experience, just because, we have to be there a week from the meet and greet, because you meet people from all over, and you see their aesthetics and their different designs and how they see fashion, and right to the fitting, to the after party, to the day of the show. You fit them with the clothes, but to have everything put together with the makeup, with the collaboration, with the shoes or the jewelry, and to see it go down the runway, it is like a woo-ah moment. You're just like, I can't believe, like, my stuff is really going down New York Fashion Week. It's very exciting. It takes you to a place that you don't want to come off of. It just makes you want to go higher and drive even more to do that the following year.